Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your presentation and use version history in Google Slides. These features are perfect for saving backups, sharing presentations offline, and restoring older versions of your work. So first, open your presentation in Google Slides. Now, let's download the file. Click File at the top menu. Then hover over Download. As you can see, you can save your presentation in different formats like Microsoft PowerPoint, ODP, PDF, and more. Click the format you want and the file will instantly download to your computer. So now, let's look at the version history. Click File again, then hover over Version History. Then select See Version History. As you can see, a panel will appear on the right side showing previous versions of your presentation. You can click any version to preview older changes. If needed, you can also restore a previous version of the presentation. And that's it. Thanks for watching.